Dummit and Foote, Chapter 1.1, Question 2. We want to decide which of the following binary operations are commutative, where we're just thinking about the 5 binary operations that were given in question 1 of this section. So, clearly, in part A, subtraction is not commutative, so that's not commutative. Star here is not commutative, I mean. In part B, we know that addition is commutative and taking products is commutative in the real numbers. So the operation star in part B is commutative. Similarly, on the rational numbers, addition is commutative, so the operation C commutes. Now, what about the operation in D? Well, if we were to switch around the pair CD and the pair AB, what would happen? We would get, let's try it out. So CD, AB, what does that give us? CB plus DA, comma, DB. But that's actually the same thing as AD plus BC and BD due to the commutativity of multiplication and addition on the integers. So this operation in part D is commutative, and clearly E is not commutative because A over B is not the same thing as B over A. So this one is not commutative, and that one is.